Good morning. Today we will be studying about evolution of computer networks. Means how it evolved, how it gradually improved. Okay. So first was ARPANET. So this is the synchrony. It has full form. Okay. Way back in 1969, in USA, the USA military agency felt the need. So they were storing files, they were using computer, they were storing many files in each machines, and they felt the need for sharing those files and folders. Okay, so sharing those information among their machines. That need was felt. With that need, then it gradually came into existence. Need was felt. If necessity is the mother of invention, as we know. So because of that need, they invented, and first it was developed ARPANET. Okay, let's know the full form. Advanced Research Project Agency Network. So ARPANET, it stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. So with that, what happened? So just now I told, way back in 1969 the need was felt by the USA military agency, and then they interconnected their own systems of machines. अपना मिलिट्री ऑफिसेस में ओके जो मशीन्स था आपस में उन लोगों को जोड़ दिया, एंड दैट डेवलप्ड एज द फर्स्ट नेटवर्क ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स, एंड दे named that network to be as ARPANET. So this is about the how network came into existence. Okay, so इससे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं आया था एग्जाम में, एक दो मार्क का आएगा. व्हाट इज ARPANET and when it was developed, whom by it was developed, all this. So उसमें you can tell that the full form आता है mainly 1 marks का. Advanced Research Project Agency Network, then way back in 1969 by the US military agency. Right? All right. So this is all about ARPANET. So next, after this, then came, after ARPANET came internet. It is a household thing now. You and me are conducting these classes with the help of this internet. So internet, what is internet? It is the global connections of networks. Network, try to understand. Network is what? Where if you connect few machines, say you have a 10-storied office and you are interconnecting all the machines which are in different floors. Okay, 10-storied बिल्डिंग है, 10-storied ऑफिस है, वहाँ पे अलग अलग machines है. सर मान लीजिए 100 machines है. You have connected those 100 machines among themselves, and you have formed a small network, LAN, local area network you have formed. So then you want that LAN to be a part of the global network. Okay, so that means that's how internet came into existence. Internet is nothing but it is a global network. Local नहीं है, global है, worldwide है. Global networks of network. Okay, or global connections of network. Okay, where each machine is connected to one another. Another point is that who owns internet? You and me owns internet. That no one is the owner of internet. Everybody is the owner. Okay. So this is about the evolution of networks. First came ARPANET. After that, with the gradual improvement or with the collections of more and more machines, then internet was developed. Okay. Thirdly, as per the bullet of your syllabus, you have one term, interspace. Interspace क्या है? Interspace is nothing but a software. What does it do? It connects the sender to the receiver. Okay, interspace is nothing but the software which connects the client to the server. ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं. So this was about the evolution of computer networks. Okay, then we will be knowing what is how data is transmitted over a network. Okay, new topic, ways of sending data across network. So how data is being sent over a network, alright. So there are three ways. Circuit switching, message switching, and packet switching. Switching है ना? I am writing SSS in all the three. S stands for switching. So three ways of sending data across network, that is circuit. Number two, circuit switching. Number two, message switching, and then number three is packet switching. Before that, switching तीनों में मिल रहा है. तो switching क्या है? In my previous lectures, I already told hardware of networks. Hardware of networks में एक component था switch. What does switch do? Switch interconnects the nodes. Okay, that means it connects one machine to the other. So while connecting one machine to the other, what does it do? It do error checking. Okay, so if you are sending files, folders that travels in the form of data from one node to the another node, from one machine to the another machine, then with the help of switch it takes place. This traveling takes place with the help of switch, and more terms were there. You just recall the thing. Hub tha, router tha, all these were there. So I have explained with the help of OSI diagram also, OSI model. Okay. So first what happens? Router is there. Switch 1, switch 2. This switch here again connected to and so on. This works in the network layer, this works in the data link layer, this works in the physical layer. So a switch performs switching, alright. So now let us come to this part. I will be explaining what happens in this way. How one is different from the other. That is how circuit switch differs from message switch and how it is different from packet switching. In circuit switching, what happens? A dedicated path is established between the sender and the receiver. Dedicated path होता है. Okay, that is a physical connection established between the sender and the receiver. Direct direct physical connection established. Direct physical connection is established between the sender and the receiver. All this takes place in a circuit switching. डेडिकेटेड पाथ होता है, कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश होता है, डायरेक्ट फिजिकल कनेक्शन होता है किस दोनों के बीच, सेंडर एंड द रिसीवर के बीच. ओके, एंड द एग्जांपल say phone call. Two persons are sitting in two different states of India and they are calling one another. They are talking over the phone to one another. Then that is only possible with the help of circuit switching. These are the characteristics of circuit switching and example I have provided you, phone call. Okay. So Assam people is making a phone call there. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से ट्रेवल हुआ, यहाँ पे एक राउटर मिला, उसने कॉल को फॉरवर्ड किया, दूसरा नेटवर्क पे आया, दूसरा राउटर पे आया, इस राउटर ने इसे ट्रांसफ़र किया. दैट हैपेंस. दिस इज नेटवर्क. नेटवर्क में एक राउटर दूसरा राउटर को फॉरवर्ड करते जाता है. ओके, एंड दिस वे द डेडिकेटेड पाथ इज एस्टेब्लिश्ड. दैट इज नॉट प्री डिटरमाइंड. यहाँ पे डेडिकेटेड पाथ प्री डिटरमाइंड नहीं होता है. दैट टेक्स प्लेस, कनेक्शन गेट्स एस्टेब्लिश्ड जहाँ पे फ्री मिले, जहाँ पे रूट फ्री मिले, जहाँ पे सिग्नल फ्री मिले. ओके, व्हेन देयर इज नो कंजेशन इट मेक्स इट्स ओन पाथ and it travels. So this is about circuit switching.